Imagine getting paid $750 weekly from the comfort of your home without leaving your house. Does this sound funny? Let me tell you, people are making cool money online. So you just need to stay to the end of this video, which I'm going to review what you need to do and how you can do in order for you to earn this money. Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if it's your first time seeing this face, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section. And if you are my old and returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you for stopping by to watch this amazing video. I'm so glad you came across this video once again. So in my research, I found out that Google has over 3 billion active users. Okay, so in today's digital world, you know that this is a digital world. Like, we are in the world that everything, you don't need to leave your house to do anything. You can just stay at the comfort of your house and get cool cash without having to stress yourself out there. It would be a nice thing for you to use some of the various Google tools in order for you to level up your source of income. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a 9-to-5 worker looking for a way to level up their source of income. This video is for anybody. In as much as you have access to the internet and you have a smartphone, you can do this. So stick around to the end of this video and do not skip any part of this video about the secret I'm going to reveal to you in this video. I know we are all content creators, but we're trying to make an ends meet. We do not need to wait till when we get monetized on YouTube, when we get monetized on other social media platforms for us to start making money. We can start making cool cash by using some of these Google ads. Trust me, it works perfectly well. So number one on my list is Google AdSense. This Google AdSense, now what does it really mean? Okay, let me just take you to a scenario when you are watching a video on YouTube and you see all those ads that, all those videos that plays, all those adverts that pop up whenever you are watching a video. That is a Google AdSense. That means Google pay for those adverts. Okay, they pay those creators for those adverts on their video. So what you need to do, if you don't have a Google account, you need to create one. And for this Google account, you also need to be creating valuable content like blog, YouTube, and if you have a website, you can create it. If you are a blogger, you can be creating valuable. If you're a YouTuber, you can be creating valuable content. And after that, you apply for Google AdSense, because all those ads that pop up when you're watching videos, those creators, they are making money from those adverts, right? So you come to your Play Store and you type AdSense. Okay, you can just click adsense.google.com. So if you don't have account with them before, you just need to go ahead and create an account with them as a website. You see where you'll be asked to put the link to your website. Okay, and if you're a YouTuber, you know what to do and all of those stuff like that. And that is that for that. Okay, so this is my account. So assuming I have a website, this is what I was telling you guys about. If you have a website, after signing up, you'll be asked to put your website link here. If you don't have, you just click on I don't have a site yet. Okay, so again, more of Google AdSense, now say start using AdSense. Okay, so you just need to choose this and choose that. So that's that for Google AdSense. So another thing I want to be sharing with you is you can make money through Google affiliate marketing, right? You know, we all know that affiliate marketing is all about recommending product to people, and when they buy it, you get a commission for each of the products or services that you recommended. So with this, you can be earning $750 weekly by that. So you can join all these Amazon you can sign up in Amazon link to be one of their affiliate. You can sign up in AliExpress to be one of their affiliate. You can see that when you're watching a particular video on YouTube, you always see them putting links there on their videos. Sometimes it might be linked to their website, and sometimes it might be linked to like all this Amazon, and you be like, why are they promoting it? maybe they just got one equipment for their content creation. Let's say they got a ring light or LED light from Amazon, and the Amazon will, and they'll now partner with Amazon, right? So that they can be promoting those products to people who want to buy the same stuff. And when you click on that link under their video description to buy those products, you are going to, sorry, they are going to get a commission for it. Okay, so that's the second way of making at least $750 every week using Google Ads. So the third method I want to be sharing with you is Google YouTube Partner Program. Okay, this one has to do with when you get to monetize your YouTube channel. When you have up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can be making money through this. Okay, so you just need to meet the requirements, and trust me, with this aspect, with this Google Partner Program, you can be earning $750 weekly from advert, from sponsorships, and from merchandise. Okay, that's another one. So the next one I want to talk about, that's number 4, is Google freelance writing. Okay, what does it mean? It just for you to offer a high quality content writing services on Google Workspace. Okay, it could be Google, you use all these Google, like it could be Google Docs, all of those stuff like that. So if you are good at writing, you can be offering a high quality writing services there. And from there, depending on your client and the kind of project you are into, you can stand a chance of making $750 weekly with no stress. So the next one I want to talk about, which is number 5, is Google online tutoring. Okay, so this one, you get to utilize Google Meet. So we all know what a Google Meet is all about. I don't know if I have one on my phone. So you get utilized. Okay, you can see it up. Yes, you can see Google Meet here. So you get utilized with Google Meet for online session. Okay, so depending on your clients and the session, so you get paid. You can see make video call to friends. So assuming maybe you are like a kind of online tutor, somebody that teach online, so this is the high time for you to be making at least $750 every week through this particular aspect, right? So you just need to be teaching those people, and they'll pay you depending on the kind of client that hired you. Additionally, I want to walk you through how you can explore other Google opportunities like Google Surveys, Google Play Store app development, Google Analytics consulting, and Google SEO services. So here come the end of this video. So always remember that earning $750 weekly requires dedication, it requires your effort, and a well-executed strategy, right? So you also need to be staying up to date with the latest Google policy and best practice in order to maximize your online earnings. Okay, so that is that for this tutorial. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to just see you in my next video.